Welcome to In Review, and today I'm going to look into all the wallets that I have, the ones that I decided to keep for myself, as well as the ones that I decided to give away. And I have grouped them by functionality, and since this video is going to be a little bit longer, I have, for the first time ever on my channel, chapters down below so you can skip forward or backward. And the way we're going to discuss each wallet is how the wallets are built. What's the capacity for cards? Do they have possibility for cash and coins? Is there an option to attach tracking? Is it magnetic so it attaches to my phone? Great, let's get going. The very first option that I want to introduce in this case is DIY, so you cannot buy them anywhere. However, very similar wallets are available on the market as well, that basically are just an elastic strip that holds your cards together lengthwise or widthwise. And since this version of a wallet is just a very simple elastic, it's also the very slimmest possibility of a wallet that you can have. The capacity depends on how loose you stitch it. Cash you can definitely carry just as easily as you can carry the cards. Tracking, you cannot apply the AirTag, but you definitely can use the cards tracker. Coins do not fit in this kind of design. Comment below if you have a wallet like this, or if you would even consider to use it like that. Second that I want to introduce is my all-time favorite wallet that is not sold anymore. I have this wallet for close to 8 years now. The special part about this wallet is that it has 4 pockets, 2 outside, 2 inside, that have the corners cut off, so you can just slide your cards out easily. And if you have, like me, 3 or 4 cards that you very frequently have to get to, then you can just keep them at the front of each pocket. And they are really accessible. You don't need to fan out any bigger card groups. You just have debit card, credit card, ID, driver license. Capacity here is 3 cards per pocket. So it would be 12 cards. Then cash definitely fits in here. Either just fold it like this or stretched out over the full length. Coins do not fit in here, and tracking AirTag is not possible. However, you can, and that's what I'm doing. Instead of some cards here, I have the card tracker. The first group of wallets that I have here have all in common that they have some sort of an elastic in place, which makes all these 3 wallets extremely versatile. Since the elastic can stretch out quite far, you can have 10 cards easily, if not more, in each of these wallets. The first wallet is simply just 2 metal plates being held together by 2 silicone strings. So 10 cards fit in easily. There would be even space for more. Cash fits in here as well. There we go. Coins don't fit. Magnetic, no. But tracking, yes, you can have the tracking card in here as well. Second wallet is the same principle. 2 metal plates being held together by an elastic, in this case a white elastic, not silicone strings. And the cutout sits on the corner and not in the center of the long side. Plus it has an extra pocket, so to say, that is meant solely for cash. Like previous wallet, 10 cards plus, totally doable. Cash is taken care of. Tracking is taken care of. Coins, no. Magnetic, no. This wallet is probably the thickest in this group, and that's because it has some extra functionalities. So again, it has an elastic, but the elastic goes horizontally and not vertically. Then also we find that it has an old-fashioned wallet attached to it, where you can store some cash. So this little pocket or drawer, if you want, is soft on the inside, has just a very small edge, like you can see, and sits between the 2 metal plates. That's how it's built. Capacity, again, 10 cards, not an issue. Cash, again, you could have it here if you want a fixed version, or you can use the wallet part and have your cash in here. So we fit in the cash here or here, but we also can fit in the coins here. And that is the special drawer that I spoke about earlier, which sits behind all the cards. So if it's just a couple of coins, that's the wallet for you. So to summarize this group, all 3 wallets fit 10 cards easily. All 3 wallets fit cash. Only the last wallet has a little drawer for coins as well. The next group of wallets are wallets that have some kind of pop-up mechanism to pop out the cards. So you fit the cards in a slot, and then there is a button or a puller that pops out the cards. This wallet, it has 2 pockets here on the outside. Let's see how many cards you can fit in. So this one holds 7 cards. They pop up like this. Cash, like I said, no problem. Cash we have covered. Coins can also be taken with you in this second pocket. Tracking, you can either have the AirTag here in this second pocket if you're not using it for coins, or you can sacrifice 3 cards to put in the card tracker in here, and it will just pop up like the other cards. Next, similar design, but without any pockets. So 7 cards fit easily in here, and now you have to pull below. Great. Cards covered, cash no, coins no. Card tracker, let's see if it fits. We're sacrificing 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. We're putting in the card tracker. It works. Next and last wallet in this group. It has a money clip, but design is the same. Let's see. 5 cards fit in here. Cash, you got the money clip for. Coins, no. Tracking, we have to sacrifice 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. We put in the tracking card in, and it works. 2 cards plus tracking. But it is going very stiff with the tracking card, so the tracking card seems to bother with the mechanic. So let's go back to normal cards. A special thing about this wallet is also you can lock it. It's this little tongue here in the corner that snaps into place. So the cards definitely will not fall off regardless how much you shake. Unlock it, you go to the first position, and you pop it out, you go to the second position. To summarize this group, they all have limits. It's 7, 7, and 5. This one has additionally 2 pockets where you can store either cash or coins or both, or even an AirTag. Other than this, the differences are just if the puller is on the side or on the bottom. The next group that I want to show is from Travando. So the brand is the same, the wallets are slightly different. And the unique thing about these 3 wallets is that instead of having a puller on the side or on the bottom, you just slide it like this to pop out the cards. And the differences between those 3 wallets are the back. You can have just a regular elastic for your cash. You can have the elastic for your cash plus an AirTag spot. Or you can have a money clip plus an AirTag spot. Capacity is the same. 5 cards plus 1 that you can have here in the front pocket. Again, that's how they pop out. It's very smooth mechanic. Cash, You can have cash here in the money clip, or you can put it behind the elastic. Have no possibility to carry on coins with you. Tracking, we already clarified. In this too, you can have the AirTag. In all three of them, you can have the card tracker. Last group of wallets we're going to discuss today are all magnetic, so they apply to the MagSafe function on your phone, and they sit securely. All four of them. The first one has a finger ring. It has the possibility to be a stand if you want to, but only vertically, not really horizontally. For horizontal, you can pop out the finger ring, and that works as well. Capacity in cards. You can have two here and one here, but very, very, very tight. And this card to pop out only if you open the wallet and push with the thumb here. That is really cumbersome, especially if the wallet is attached to your phone. So imagine it sits on your phone. You want to get to the cards here in the pocket, to the two cards. So you have to flip it open. You have to turn around, push it. But if you're pushing like this, you're pushing the cards into the phone case. So you have to take the wallet off, open the wallet to 90 degrees, pop out the cards, and there we go. And this card sits really tight. Not my favorite. Does not have the possibility for cash nor coins. And tracking is also not possible because there is not enough space in this wallet for free credit cards. Now this wallet. Special design about this one is that it opens to the side and it's magnetic. Two cards. It has a finger ring attached that goes to the side first. And when attached to your phone, it also works as a stand in horizontal position. Two cards are a little bit little. Plus, I don't really trust this lid here. When I just grab the wallet, the lid already opens. And to get the cards out is also cumbersome. Not my favorite. This wallet holds only two cards. They are cumbersome to take out of the wallet. It has no space for cash or coins. And it definitely also has no space for tracking. Next wallet, transparent. Magnet is strong. You can have 3 cards in here, and through this big opening, you can easily slot them out. That is nice. There is no stand or fingering in this version. It also cannot hold any cash nor coins. It cannot hold a card tracker. It just doesn't fit through in here. And the last wallet is from Ugreen, one of my favorite brands. It's not like here where it just snaps in place and is held by a magnet together. Here there is actually a joint. So whatever angle you put it in, it will stay in that angle. That way it works as a stand, vertically and horizontally. Now let's see how many cards fit in here. 4 cards, all pockets are a little bit tight, so the cards will not fall out. It's extremely slim for 4 cards, and actually material and a joint. And it's not flimsy, there is a metal plate inside. It has no possibility to carry cash, nor coins. Card tracker, let's see. The card does fit in the pocket here, but you cannot close the wallet. It's just too thick. This pocket is not supposed to hold 3 credit cards. Maybe 2. 2 is fine. So 5 in total. So no tracking. Final words. Here we have all the wallets. I personally tend to Lether wallet, Ugreen wallet, or my DIY elastics. Those are my 3 picks. Do you have any favorite wallets? Comment below anything that you have on your mind, especially if it has something to do with wallets, whether they are here on the screen or not. See you in the comment section. Excuse me, I have to update my statement from before. This wallet here, the very first wallet, comes along with a little DIY kit where you find 2 more elastics, which is awesome. That never happens. Plus this little carabiner, here that you can pull through this corner, which then attaches to a little AirTag holder. So you can have your AirTag on this wallet. Tracking is secured.